You want the price of a condo, but you don't want it to feel like condo living?
Back corner location,
Greenbelt views,
and only one shared wall.
That's the difference. This is 9780 Las Lomas number 7. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and thoughtfully upgraded throughout.
It feels like a home that's been truly cared for and ready for what comes next.
Natural light fills this open living space, and the recessed lighting keeps everything bright and welcoming.
Dual pane vinyl windows and an updated sliding door adds comfort and efficiency.
Central heating and air was installed in 2022 and recently serviced, so every season feels easy. The kitchen really shines. White shaker cabinets with soft closed doors and drawers.
Quartz countertops, designer backsplash, black granite sink, and stainless Samsung appliances.
Custom pantry storage, which you don't always see in a condo.
And the coffee bar adds just a little everyday magic.
Upstairs, you'll find 2 generously sized bedrooms with mirrored closet doors and window treatments already in place.
Both rooms include remote-controlled ceiling fans plus a Nest thermostat for smart home convenience.
The primary bathroom has been beautifully renovated with an oversized soaking tub and tiled shower surround.
It's clean, modern, and thoughtfully done. The kind of space you move into and simply enjoy.
And then there's the yard.
One of the larger lots in the community, a private wraparound space with low maintenance turf.
4 front flower beds, a newly added gate, and storage shed included.
When the Edison lights turn on in the evening, it kind of feels like the final scene of a really good story.
The part where everything just works. New roof in 2024.
Full fumigation completed in 2025.
Updated plumbing, new plugs, and switches.
The big ticket items have already been handled.
You have 2 assigned parking spaces, 1 standard and 1 parallel in number 6.
Or was it 7? The HOA covers water, trash, sewer, exterior maintenance, including the roof and fencing, landscaping, exterior insurance, and the community laundry facility. So you get ownership without feeling overwhelmed by it.
If you've been waiting for something affordable in Atascadero that doesn't feel like a compromise, private location, extensively upgraded, thoughtfully maintained,
dare I say the fairest one of all?
You'll have to come see for yourself. Come see if this is where your happily ever after starts.
See you soon.